Are you looking to buy a GoPro action camera to shoot your next outdoor adventure? There are certainly a lot of models to choose from these days, and with the great value offered by older GoPros, the decision isn't always as simple as going for the latest flagship. GoPro also provides an array of accessories from small handheld mounts that act as tripods and floating cases to the powered stabilizing Karma Grip gimbal system. So if you're interested in buying one, then we can help you out with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. We are starting out our list with the GoPro Hero5 Session action camera. The camera body itself is waterproof to depths of 33 feet and is shock resistant, so even without a protective housing, the Hero5 Session can take a licking. The included standard frame has an integrated accessory mount for securing accessories. It has a mounting buckle quick release for the standard frame, and two adhesive mounts with quick releases are included to get you started. Hands-free control is also possible using the built-in voice control feature or the free mobile app. A single press of the shutter button powers the camera on and starts recording automatically. It estimates a battery life of 2 hours for the Hero5 running at 1080p at 50 frames per second with GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, and image stabilization. Grant your audiences new perspectives of your adventure with the GoPro Fusion. Using two slightly offset cameras, the Fusion can capture everything around it in 5.2K resolution up to 30 frames per second. 18 megapixel photos can also be caught in both RAW and JPEG formats to edit flexibility and easy sharing. With the GoPro app, you can play back and share your content right after capture. You can extract a movable 1080p or 720p chunk out of your existing 360 videos and create a standard HD video as if you had a virtual tripod and zoom lens with a camera operator using the overcapture feature. Using multiple microphones to capture 4-channel audio, it can record sounds from all directions. Playback of the surround sound offers an immersive sonic experience to go with the spherical video. Next up on the list, we have the GoPro Hero7 action camera. It records 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, shoots 10 megapixel photos, and offers many sophisticated features to go along with the image capture. The camera is waterproof down to 33 feet natively without any housing required. It's rugged and rubberized and has an intuitive 2-inch touchscreen display on the rear. It has a touch zoom feature that provides a quick and effective way of framing your shots using your fingers on the touchscreen. Other features include time-lapse capture, wide dynamic range, WDR, and a portrait mode, which allows you to physically turn the camera into a portrait orientation and shoot portrait photos. Plus, it automatically sends your footage to the GoPro app where it transforms it into a fun, shareable video with music and effects. Living up to its action camera moniker, the GoPro Hero7 is designed to capture super smooth footage of your latest, most incredible, not-so-serene adventures. Its hyper-smooth stabilization produces a gimbal-like flow without the added bulk of a gimbal. Camera updates include direct streaming to Facebook Live, an intelligent still photo mode, and a stabilized time-lapse video. It supports up to UHD 4K 60/50 video resolutions and captures 2.7K 120/100 slow motion and super slow motion video at rates up to 1080p 240/200. Still images can be captured in up to 12 megapixel resolution in bursts of up to 30 images per second. The touchscreen has been streamlined to more closely resemble smartphone navigating. And when your hands are full, 16 voice commands enable you to control the Hero7 Black verbally. The next product on the list is the GoPro Max action camera. Using opposite side lenses, the Max can capture everything in a 360-degree view in up to 4,992 by 2,496 resolution video and 5,760 by 2,880 still photos. It can also use only one lens to capture traditional GoPro Hero-style wide-angle action footage when needed. This action camera supports multiple modes for creative video and photos, such as Power Pano mode, which can take 270-degree still photos without distortion. The camera's touchscreen provides quick and easy management, but when your hands are full, the Max understands 14 voice commands in over 10 languages and accents. Further, it comes with a 1600 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, a curved adhesive mount, 2 protective lenses, 2 lens caps, a mounting buckle, and a USB Type-C cable for charging. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the GoPro Hero 8 action camera. It features updated Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization to produce smooth, gimbal-like movement at all supported frame rates without a gimbal. You can also use it as a webcam on your computer using a free downloadable app. This camera supports up to 4K UHD video resolutions and time-lapse, up to 1080p 240 slow motion, and super slow motion video. Still images can be captured in up to 12 megapixel resolution in bursts of up to 30 images per second with the updated Super Photo with HDR support that helps to reduce blur and enhance detail in low-light situations. It also features an updated night lapse function to shoot and process up to 4K time lapses at night. The touchscreen provides quick and easy management, but when your hands are full. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.